everybody. My name is Kim, and I'm the happiest cook. When people start talking about heading south for the winter, which so many people are doing, you can bet that they have included Miami, Florida in their travel plans. As for the food, oh my gosh, there is so much to try. And one of the favorites here at the Happiest Cook is shrimp and chicken done with jerk seasoning on the grill. I've got all my things together. Do you have yours? Okay, like I always say, let's get cooking. All right, we are ready to go. This is our shrimp. It's all thawed, deveined, cleaned, patted dry. And our chicken, I have 3 chicken thighs. I took the bone out and I left the skin on. So those are ready. These, it seems odd because this is the jerk seasoning. It's everything in the bowl. And what we're going to do is we are going to mix up the spices. We're going to lightly coat these with olive oil. Then we're going to sprinkle the jerk seasoning on them. We're going to massage them in. So, hence the gloves. I've been wanting to stir these since I put them in the bowl. Rub this seasoning in. We're going to push it up under the skin. We're going to let this sit for about 20 minutes. And then we'll start putting this all together on our skewers. And we'll be heading outside to the barbecue. Right, so we have our shrimp and our chicken have been marinating. I've rubbed them down, given them their massage, and they are now ready to deal with. I have a pan here. This is mostly just to transport my skewers from here to the barbecue. So what I have left to do is to take the chicken. We're going to cut right into long strips, just like that. Right, so now I have my skewers. Would you like my soaking cup? These skewers are very long and they need to be soaked in water. So this was the tallest cup container I had, so it's what I used. They've been soaking for a while. And then what we're going to do is we are going to skewer chicken, shrimp, chicken, shrimp. So it's chicken, shrimp, chicken, shrimp. Okay, so we have our jerk chicken and shrimp all skewered and ready for the grill. Okay, our jerk chicken and shrimp skewers are all done. And I have plated it up with the traditional white rice and black beans. So now I get to test Let's see, what do I want? Shrimp. That's good. It's a little spicy, but not too much. It's delicious. Well, this ends our stay for today in Miami, Florida. We have one more recipe to go. I hope you enjoyed our little recipe here. It really is very versatile, and I hope that you try it on different things. It is quite yummy. So, thank you for visiting us here on The Happiest Cook today. We really appreciate you stopping by, and we'd appreciate it even more if you would hit that subscribe button. It's free and it makes us happy. So, I will see you next week here on The Happiest Cook. And like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Bye.